Forget the soggy ice bags this summer. You need to get your hands on the GoSun Chill solar powered cooler that doesn't require ice to keep your foods and drinks chilled. This means you can easily keep your frozen goods in the portable fridge without squeezing them within the piles of ice cubes. GoSun, the company behind those solar cookers and grills, introduced their first solar powered cooler this year. This compact and portable cooler is designed to eliminate the need for carrying ice bags. Instead, juice it up using the sun's energy and you are sorted for the day. GoSun Chill comes with a lithium power bank that can be charged either by a solar table or solar panel, depending on your convenience and preference. Once the power bank is fully charged, it will easily run your cooler for good 14 hours even in 80-degree temperature. So no matter how steamy the beach gets this summer, your drinks will stay ice cold thanks to this handy device. If the sun is not out, you can charge the power bank with an AC adapter and 12-volt cord provided. Besides charging the cooler, the power bank can also be used to juice up your smartphones and laptops. This makes Goes and Chill a perfect device for your camping trips.